Mohammad Amir will have a good one at mid-on. Umar Gul passing on some rich tips to him. He's talented, he's young and exciting. 17 wickets in 17 matches.
Who will take the new ball with him, do you think, Ramiz?
I think it has to be given to Shoaib Akhtar, because that was the trend during the Asia Cup, which Pakistan played it recently. Pakistan would want wickets, would want results from Shoaib Akhtar and Mohammad Amir. Plays the call from the umpire. Australia's innings is underway. Oh, gets a good one, late out swinger, perfect delivery from Mohammad Amir. That'll keep him guessing for a while.
Well, Greg Blewett said it earlier, one of the great young bowlers in world cricket, 18 years old. Where is your 18-year-old at the moment? Well, he's bowling 90 mile an hour, a quick arm.
Another good delivery, keeping him quiet. This is where Mohammad Amir is so good. He get the ball to swing, get it right against left-hander or the right-hander. Adjust quickly to the situation. 3 for 23 is best. Good average in T20 cricket. Still very young, but extremely smart and oozing with talent. At the bottom edge, rolled across to the keeper.
They've just kept a little bit low, may have just done Warner for pace a little bit. Went back to a length that was quite full. Toe of the bat. Warner has been playing for Middlesex in the domestic, the big score.
Try to make room, but he picks up one, he's off the mark. Off and running is Warner. Afridi with that throw. Teasing him is Mohammad Amir, making him twist in the crease, and it was the Pakistan captain with a ferocious throw, missing the stumps. The batsman was in.
Going to be a big part of this run chase, Pakistan's fielding.
Down the leg side will be given as a wide. At times he tries too much, Mohammad Amir. He needs to relax. Maybe it's the pressure of picking up early wickets that can get him going with too much of experimentation, which at times is not required.
Yeah, maybe it's just left hand, right hand as well, with Warner being the left hander. First delivery to the right hander. Difficult to adjust that swing.
Beats him. Good delivery. Pushed up. Good pace as well. 88.5 miles per hour. Watson beaten.
Could be an interesting change for the Australians. In the one-day series, they were peppered by England. A lot of short stuff from the likes of Broad. Clark fending deliveries off. Watson made to pull a few deliveries.
Pad first, then the bat, and give it. Leg before wicket. Watson doesn't like it. He says that he's hit it with his bat. But there was a clear case of ball hitting the pad and then hitting the bat.
That was my first thought. They've had to drag Watson off, really, showing his back to the some inside edge. But was it pad first? I think it is. It's a brave decision. It's going on to hit the stump. There was never any doubt in that. Watson thinks he trapped it. The umpire thinks it's hit the pad first. Amir doesn't care. He's got a wicket.
He's gone early. Watson for duck. Australia 2 for 1.